the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making potato salad. With my potato salad, I do not use onion or celery, but you guys are welcome to. The ingredients that we're going to need are parsley flakes, paprika, yellow mustard, ground black pepper, mayonnaise, salt. I have 5 potatoes here and also 3 eggs. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is wash your potatoes. Then you want to set a bowl of cold water to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and peel our potatoes and cut them into cubes. Okay guys, all you want to do is cut your potato in half and then cut it in 3 and then 3 again and cube it. And as you're cutting your potatoes, go ahead and put them into the water so they don't brown. Okay guys, once you've cut all your potatoes, all you want to do is get a pot and put some cold water in there and just pour your potatoes in. And we're going to go ahead and put them on the stove to cook. Okay guys, now that you have your potatoes on the cook, we're going to go ahead and get a pot with cold water and salt in it and just sit your eggs in there, and you could turn them on to cook. That's going to take about 9 minutes to get them hard boiled. And once your potatoes come to a boil, it should be about 9 to 10 minutes before they're done, so you may want to keep an eye on them. Okay guys, remember with your potatoes, you don't want them to be too soft and you don't want them to be too firm. So I'm going to give these about another 6 minutes and we'll come back and check them in. Okay guys, our hard-boiled eggs are done. All I did was take them and put them into a bowl of cold water. Now I'm going to peel them and cut them. Okay guys, now our hard-boiled eggs are peeled and cut. Now we're going to set that aside. Okay guys, I've checked our potatoes and they're now done. So I'm going to move them over to our strainer. Okay guys, once your potatoes have cooled, we want to go ahead and add some parsley flakes. I'm going to add some black pepper. And we're going to add, for me, I'm going to add a few pinches of salt, still watching my salt intake. You guys can season this the way you like. Okay, and then I'm going to add the eggs. And now at this point, I'm going to just go ahead and mix that in gently, thoroughly. Okay guys, now since I didn't make a very big batch, I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon and a half of mustard. And you also don't want to go too heavy with the mayonnaise. You could start off light. So I'm just going to add some in and mix it. If I need more, then I'll add it. Okay guys, at this time you want to go ahead and give it a little taste. If you need to add more salt or pepper, this is the time to do it. Okay guys, here you have it. I added a little paprika and parsley flakes to the top. So this is my homemade potato salad. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please come back, subscribe and like, and thank you guys for watching again. This is Nana, the saucy chef.